I'd like to start with a small question with audience. So what is more important for you, Shrikant, an idea or an execution? Yeah. So even a not so good idea can become a big thing if you execute it well. And today I am very honored to talk to two individuals, Aditya and Dipesh, who believed in execution. They jumped into the distribution when many people are in wait and watch mood. So a big round of applause for both of them, guys. Great. So Aditya started in 2023 and now he's sitting at 1000 crore AUM, and he started SIA 4 months back and now he is at 15 crore. So a big round of applause for Aditya, guys. So Aditya, you are the early adopter of the SIF when many people are in wait and watch mood, as I've rightly pointed out. So I wanted to understand that what motivated you to become a SIF distributor first?
Hello, everyone. The question gives me it just reminded me of a friend. So there was a friend of mine in Bangalore. He bought a fancy car. And after 2-3 months when I met him, to understand how he's driving the car, how has been the experience, he told me, Aditya, I'm not driving the car currently because I'm scared of scratches. Bangalore traffic is so wild. The signals are everywhere. They're one ways. So the question is actually connected to that example. As a distributor, I think our job is to advise a right product to a right customer. Then thinking about whether the product is good, bad, ugly. If it sits into the customer's portfolio properly, don't think about from a point of view of whether that product is popular or not popular, whether that product is easy sell or not an easy sell. Please focus on only customer because they are the one who are going to benefit you on the long term. So if it fits into his profile, if it fits into his profile and his requirement, please do suggest him those products. We also encouraged our customers to understand in detail about the products. So we've identified certain tools for ourselves to advise customers, and the customers are now getting sophisticated. So don't just be scared behind, let the product be popular, and then I'll recommend. I think it's right time to go and talk to all the customers. That's what we
Rightly pointed out, Aditya. So I wanted to know that how have you started selling SIF? Is this a new client or existing client? And how do you come to know that your clients are prepared for complex product like SIFs?
Very good question. So we started with our existing set of customers because we knew them. We knew what they invest in. We knew what their portfolios are. We knew their behavior, firstly. So we went to them. We started talking to them. We educated them, as I said. And that helped us in terms of participation, because these customers also had a participation in PMS, AIFs. That helped us to understand in detail. What was the second part that you asked?
How do you come to know that your clients are prepared for SIFs?
Perfect. So the three questions that you can ask yourself. First, which is you all have an access to, is what is the size of his portfolio with you? If the customer has a sizable portfolio with you, which could be in the range of say 1-2 crores, or he has a multiple products that he's participated in, PMS, AIF, so you know that size of the customer. So you go ahead and pitch him those products. Second, and the most important, is also customers' behavior when market tank or when go up. Right? A customer will give you signs how he basically reacts to situations. That helps us big time in terms of identifying a customer. And third, and the most important, is your conversation with the customer. When you interact with the customer, he will ask you questions or he will give you statements like, I'm looking at low volatility. Right? Now, if a customer understands volatility, it becomes very easy selling from a hybrid long-short fund for me. Right? So understand what they talk, see what they hold, and how they react is what I filter customers on.
Great. So, Aditya, SIFs are very complicated products. So, there are alien concepts like naked strategies, covered call. If I am not able to understand it, how can I tell my client? अगर मुझे ही समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैं कैसे सिखाऊं भाई लोगों को? What's your take?
Okay, so here I think distributors are going wrong is what I understand. As I gave an example in the beginning, right? Scratchless car, you will have a very few of them. But yes, we deal with a serious bike, and we tend to ask our customers multiple questions when we interact with. Can you again repeat the question, please?
Yeah, so how to simplify SIFs for clients?
So, simplifying it, very primary reason for customer to put money in. Why does he want to put money in a particular way? What is the return that they want to generate? What is the size that they want to deploy? Now, I'll simplify with one more example of it. So, there's a lady that, there's a customer of us. He expired. A lady inherited the full assets. Now, when she inherited the asset, her husband had a different risk profile. He was aggressive. So, he had AIF, he had PMSs. The lady didn't wanted to participate because when market tanked, she was getting nervous, because that's what we understood when we were interacting with her for a year. Now, we pitched her a SIF hybrid long short strategy because it fit into her category. And in March 26, when market fell by approximately 11 odd percent, the portfolio fell only by 2%. And here this customer was a happy customer coming back to us and saying, this is what I wanted. Aditya, please start putting more money of mine in this particular segment because I get worried when market fall. I'm not a risk taker. So that's how we...
Great. So Aditya, how can distributors develop their knowledge on SIFs?
Okay, so firstly, understand you're not a derivative expert. Let's face that, okay? That expert is managing the money. We are not. We are going to advise the customer, right? So when our job is reduced, when we start thinking, because Prasad showed a lot of strategies here, right? Those strategies you don't need to understand. You don't need to understand how the cover call works or how bull spread works, how strangle and straddle will work. Please understand one thing which is most important to you is customers' need. Keep it very simple. From a strategy perspective, understand only three parts of it. What strategy is made for? If that strategy is made for a conservative customer or a targeted return perspective, then you know which customer to go for. If it is an aggressive like X100, right, it's going to be long only. You think from a different perspective. Same way, the customers who we engage with, again, we tend to ask multiple questions, multiple tools, and we try to get more outputs from them, which you also can do it as a distributor. You can also engage with a lot of AMCs here. This session, I'm very, very happy that you all have come. This session itself will add a lot of favors to you. Please attend such sessions. At the same time, at SHIP, what we do is, we have something called a cheat sheet. That cheat sheet has only 10 points. On those 10 points, we make it very simple for our partners and our customers to, or our team to understand in simple layman's language. Make your product simple. Understand from a fund manager. Your life will be very easy. Don't try to become a derivative expert because that will not get you. When you're selling a mutual fund, I'll take one moment. When you're selling a mutual fund, you don't go and tell a customer कि sir मैं ना ये particular stock ये PE पे ले रहा हूँ. So don't get into transactions. Keep it very, very simple for you all.
One last question, Aditya. How do you see SIFs evolving in the next 2-3 years, and what opportunities it will bring for distributors?
Very interesting. This is a question we had last week when we were interacting with some of the partners. See, I don't go by number. I understand the product. I'll keep it simple. 3 pointers. What is the gap and value this particular SIF gets on the table? Now, as a product gap perspective, we had a huge gap between, say, 100 rupees transaction of mutual fund to whatever amount that you can put it in mutual fund. PMS was a next product, 50 lakh rupees. Your AIFs were 1 crore. So, first of all, product gap is being achieved here by getting 10 lakh rupees of transaction per AMC. Now, we have 1 or 2 schemes per AMC. Tomorrow, they'll have 7 schemes for an example because that's the maximum number they can have. So, just imagine putting 10 lakhs in 7 schemes. So, please understand product gap perspective, this is one. Second, which is the most important, again on the product gap side, is that the customers who are target for FDs, for say hybrid category, those customers also can be looked at here from a product gap perspective. Now, investor perspective, how the investors can get benefited from this. Now, investor is looking for stability, conservative, because today we have all products which are long only product. We have mutual fund which is long only, we have PMS which is long only, which is AIF. We had category 3 AIF which is long short. But again, that was long only. Here you have an option to go short. You can go short on the position. When market fall, and SIF can go naked short of 25%. So that gives you an advantage from a product perspective, from an investor perspective. Third, which is most important for you all. Today you are only distributing product. You are not constructing a portfolio. You are going and recommending one, sir, ये scheme अच्छा है, आप ले लो आपके portfolio. Here you can be a constructor. You can say 20% of allocation I want to go to hybrid, 15% I want to go to X. So you are going to be a constructor in the portfolio. So please keep that in mind, that these three things, if SIF delivers well, just imagine the size it can be. There is a segment called FD, there is a category 3 AIF, category 2 AIF, credit funds, PMSs, your hybrid funds, all these together, even fraction of that gets moved. That's the size is going to be. So don't think about anything else would be my advice. Think about only your customers. If it fits right, please go and tell your customer this is the product to go for with the conviction. Don't become derivative expert. Let the expert do his job, which is fund manager.
Very valid point, Aditya. A big round of applause for him.